I wish someone would come to my beauty salon so they can get their proper shoes, the dress, and the glamour. Like me. Sigh. Won't anybody come to my store?
Oh, hey there, Brock.
Hey there.
Oh, my shoes.
Would you like to get something? You know, something.
I'd like to get that dress over there.
Okay, go ahead and try it on.
Where's the changing rooms?
Right down there. So, how do you like the new dress?
I'm sorry, but we cannot be.
Why not?
Well, you see, there's
Another man?
someone else.
Another man?
No. Grandpa.
Where is he now? I must speak to him.
Don't you lay a finger on him, or I'll...
Yo, what?
Hello, my name is David Hello, Grandpa! Angela! Grandpa! Angela.
And Barack Obama.